Om Shri Sai Ram. Swami, our humble pranams at the lotus feet of you, Swami. Please bless us in learning two bhajans. With your grace, definitely we should be able to learn. Swami, please bless us. Sai Ram brothers, Sai Ram sisters, Sai Ram children. So today with Swami's grace, we have two bhajans. The first bhajan we'll learn on our Swami and offer for Aradhana Day, which is upcoming. And also we learn a Rama bhajan, the second bhajan, as an offering for Ramanavami to Lord Rama. So we have the first Balavika student, Sai Satvik, with us in learning this first bhajan. Sai Ram Satvik.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. So the first bhajan that we have is Sai Baba Sakala Bhuvanike Data, a beautiful composition. So before we learn this bhajan, the initial part let's learn. The ragam of this bhajan is in Bhageshri, and we have many similar bhajans. We'll go through that also for quick recap. The talam of this bhajan, it's a usual 8-beat bhajan, or you can say 4-beat, which we normally put for all the bhajans in our bhajan sessions. And the shruti of this bhajan, so instead of panchamam shruti, it will be convenient if we take a madhyamam based pitch for the whole bhajan, and I'll explain why also. So for gents, we can go with D madhyamam, D as in deity, D madhyamam, and ladies or girls, we can go with A madhyamam, which is 6 madhyamam for this bhajan. Or even if it is high, girls can opt for either 5 madhyamam or 5.5 madhyamam also. So before we learn this bhajan meaning also, let's quickly finish the meaning and then I'll show the sample bhajans. So Sai Baba Sakala Bhuvanike Data. So Bhuvana means universe. So we are saying Swami Sai Baba, you are Sakala means the whole universe. You are the Lord of the whole universe. So Sai Baba Sakala Bhuvanike Data. Rupa Manohara Kamala Kanta. Rupa means form. So Swami, your form, Rupa Manohara. It's so beautiful. You know, the moment we see you, Swami, you know, it gives us so much of happiness, right? Rupa Manohara Kamala Kanta. Kamala means lotus. Kanta is our beloved Swami. So, Swami, you are our beloved Lord, you know, who is so beautiful and, you know, who is like a lotus, who is as soft like a lotus. So, still, you know, how Swami walks in Parthi during darshan, right? We feel exactly the same, like, you know, soft lotus for, and so beautiful form to look, which always gives us so much of happiness. Yuga Avatar Sai Baba, Swami, you are the avatar of the whole Yuga, the whole age. You know, how many ever yugas are going to come, Swami, you are the our Lord in different, like for example, in Dwapara or you know Treta Yuga we have Lord Rama, right? So we see Swami you in the form of Lord Rama, and in Dwapara Yuga we have Krishna. So as again, you know, Swami, we see you as Krishna. And Daya Karo Parti Baba, Swami, you know, please show your mercy. Please show your Daya to us, Swami. Shirdi Parti Hriday Nivasi. So we are saying, Swami, we see you as Shirdi Baba, and you know, you are always there in our heart. You come and you know be inside our heart. That's what we are requesting, Swami. Shirdi Parti Hridaya Nivasi. Hridaya means heart. So Swami Shirdi Baba, Parti Baba, you know, you are in our heart. You are in dweller in our hearts. Prashanti Sundara Sai. So, oh Lord of Prashanti, Puttaparthi, right? You know, you are so beautiful, Lord. So that's what, you know, we will learn this bhajan. Such a beautiful composition. And before we learn this bhajan, some of the other similar bhajans in this Vageshi Ragam, let's quickly learn that. So some of the other bhajans is Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Shankara, or Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Balavana. Another one, Shiva Shambho Narayana. Another one, Jai Jai Gopala. So all these are in Bhageshri Ragam. Okay. And another one, शम्भो शङ्कर साम्ब सदा शिव. So all these are other similar bhajans in Bhageshi Ragam. Okay, let's quickly learn. So, Satvik, Viku, shall we learn? So the beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So regular beat, right? So the word starts in this bhajan is Sai Baba, right? But the beat starts from Baba. So see how it is coming. Sai Baba. Okay? So the count starts from Baba. Satya, can you repeat? Sai Baba. Sai Baba. Sai Baba. सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा. साई बाबा. सकल भुवन के दाता. So this whole what you sang is first line, okay? So let's sing this full line first. Sai Baba सकल भुवन के दाता.
सकल भुवन के
Good. Second time when you sing Sai Baba सकल भुवन के दाता.
सकल भुवन के
Sai Baba. So this is second time we are singing the same line, but in a different note we'll end, okay? Sai Baba. सकल भुवन के दाता. Your voice is breaking, Kanna. Aditya or Shankar, your voice halfway only I'm able to hear that.
You're keeping the mic closer now. Can you try again?
Sai Baba. Sing. सकल भुवन के दाता. साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता.
भुवन के दाता।
Okay, this is the same line, you're singing the second line, right? And next time, third time when you sing the same line, Ho Sai, sing. Ho Sai, Baba.
Baba,
Ho Sai, Baba.
Sai Baba,
Ah, Ho Sai, Baba.
Sai Baba,
सकल भुवन के दाता।
सकल भुवन के दाता।
Good. So the other way that you can sing this, like third time when you sing, right? Oh Sai Baba, you're singing, right? The other way that you can sing with a little briga is Oh Sai Baba. Okay, I'll teach you that. Oh Sai Baba. Sing.
Sai Baba,
Good. Oh Sai Baba. Sing.
Sai Baba,
But it should be on talam, right? Oh Sai Baba. Sakala should immediately come. So we should not lag in that briga. Oh Sai Baba. Sing.
Sai Baba, सकल भुवन के
Data. Good. So can you good? Can you sing all the three lines which you learned for Sai Baba? So basically, the three times of the same line repeating is the first two times when we sing, we need to sing two times. I'll quickly show you once, then you sing and show. Okay? Sai Baba. सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता हो साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता. Okay, did you understand? So second time when we are singing, right, you can add Sai Baba. That Baba you can give briga, but again it's not mandatory. But we are just calling Swami with again dear Swami, right? So Sai Baba, like that. Sing Sai Baba. Yeah, so like that you can do briga and sing. So can you sing all the same line repeating three how we sang? Can you sing and show? Sing. Two times.
Sai Baba, सकल सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता ओ साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता ओ साई बाबा
Only once. That is only once. When we say Oh Sai Baba and come back, right? We need to sing only once. Okay, good. Next line. Rupa Manohara.
मनोहर
Rupa Manohara.
मनोहर
Kamala
लीला
Kamala Kanta
कांता
Rupa Manohara Kamala Kanta
रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता.
Very good. And next second time when we sing this, we can sing this. Rupa Manohara. That is same, okay? Next one. Kamala Kanta. Kanta. Sing. That is we are saying Swami, you are so beloved, right? Kanta. Good. So I'll quickly show both, okay? Rupa Manohara Kamala Kanta. First is plain. Rupa Manohara Kamala Kanta. Can you sing both Rupa Manohara? Sing.
रूप मनोहर मनोहर कमलाकांता. रूप मनोहर
That Rupa you took to, you extended, right? That also you take like previous Rupa only. Rupa, that is after a bit take Rupa. Rupa Manohara Kamala Kanta. Rupa, so don't take Rupa in the first one, okay Kanna? Rupa Manohara Kamala Kanta.
रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता. रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता.
Good. Next line. Yugavatar
युगावतार
Sai Baba.
साई बाबा.
So that Sai Baba, when we sing, give that ah at the end, okay? Yugavatar Sai Baba. Sing.
युगावतार साई बाबा.
I couldn't hear the last half, Kanna. Can you sing again?
साई बाबा.
Good. Yugavatar this one line, okay? Yugavatar Sai Baba, daya karo Parti Baba. Sing.
Yugavatar Sai Baba, daya karo Parti Baba.
Very good. So since this line is big, right? It's long. So where you will take a breath means Yugavatar Sai Baba Daya. Okay, before Daya, take a half second breath so that you can sustain Daya Karo Sai Baba. Okay? Yugavatar Sai Baba Daya Karo Sai Baba Parti Baba.
Yugavatar Sai Baba, daya karo Parti Baba.
Did you sing Yugavatar Sai Baba? Did you sing that Ah there? Sing. Can you sing with Ah?
Yugavatar Sai Baba, daya Yugavatar Sai Baba, daya karo
Good. Next line. Shirdi Parti
Parti
Hridaya Nivasi
Nivasi
Shirdi Parti Hridaya Nivasi Good. Second time when we sing this, Shirdi Parti
Parti
Hridaya Nivasi
Nivasi
in Vasi, little briga we gave, right? Hridaya Nivasi.
Hridaya Nivasi.
So Shirdi Parti Hridaya Nivasi
Parti Nivasi
Prashanti Sundara
Shanti Sundara
Sai Good. Prashanti Sundara Sai
Prashanti
Prashanti Sundara
Shanti
And second time when we sing Prashanti
Shanti
Sundara Prashanti Sundara. That also you can give, okay? See, I'll sing both Prashanti Sundara, okay? Prashanti Sundara Sai. So, this is first one. Second time when we sing Prashanti Sundara. Sing.
Prashanti Sundara
प्रशान्ति सुन्दर
प्रशान्ति सुन्दर साई.
Sai. Second time when you sing, keep Sai in the same note. Sai. Sundar Sai. Yeah. Can you sing both Prashanti Sundara now?
प्रशान्ति सुन्दर साई. प्रशान्ति सुन्दर साई.
Good. So this is full first speed, okay, Kanna? And can you sing once full first speed? Sing.
साई सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा. साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता. ओ साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता. रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता. रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता. युग अवतार साई बाबा. दया करो प्रतिबाबा. युग अवतार साई बाबा. दया करो प्रतिबाबा. शिरडी परती हृदय निवासी. शिरडी परती हृदय निवासी. प्रशान्ति सुन्दर साई. प्रशान्ति सुन्दर साई.
Couple of places, right? When you sang Yugavatar Sai Baba, Daya. Sai Baba come that curve, okay? Yuga. So can you sing that line?
साई बाबा दया करो प्रतिबाबा.
Good. So Yugavatar Sai Baba, come to that note, okay? Come a little down and then take the Sai Baba. Good. Let's do the second speed now, okay? Sai Baba सकल भुवन के दाता.
सकल भुवन के दाता.
साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता.
सकल भुवन
वो साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता.
बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता.
रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता.
मनोहर कमलाकांता.
शिरडी परती हृदय निवासी
हृदय निवासी
प्रशांति सुंदर साई
शांति सुंदर साई
प्रशांति सुंदर साई
शांति सुंदर साई.
Good. And when we end the bhajan, O Sai Baba, सकल भुवन के दाता. Okay, we'll end that line. Good Kana, good Viku. So I'll quickly sing once, and I request everyone, though you are in mute at your end, please sing along with me so that we all will get practice in this bhajan. Sai Baba, सकल भुवन की दाता. साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. हो साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता, रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता. युगावतार साई बाबा, दया करो पति बाबा. युगावतार साई बाबा, दया करो पति बाबा. शिरडी परती हृदय निवासी, शिरडी परती हृदय निवासी. प्रशांति सुंदर साई, प्रशांति सुंदर साई. ओ साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. हो साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. रूप मनोहर कमलाकांता, युगावतार साई बाबा, दया करो पति बाबा. शिरडी परती हृदय निवासी, प्रशांति सुंदर साई, प्रशांति सुंदर साई. हो साई बाबा, सकल भुवन की दाता. Okay, did you understand Kanna? So before we go to the second bhajan, so Satvik, another quick point, and to everyone, a couple of places where we can soften, right? When we call Swami Sai Baba, Sai Baba. So though certain places we can soften. We are calling Swami our dear Lord, right? So in those places, if we soften and sing, we can directly, we feel connectivity to Swami. So we can imagine Swami giving darshan, and that connectivity we'll definitely feel. We are talking to Swami through bhajan, so that's what always makes us connect. So Sai Baba, when we call Swami Sai Baba, sing with full of softness in when we say Baba, and similarly Kanta, Daya Karo Baba, Hridaya Nivasi. So we are saying Swami, you are indweller. There also we can soften a little bit. So certain places, if we soften, automatically we can connect to Swami. Okay, Vico, did you get it? Good. Practice karna. Okay.